Hey guys, thanks again for stopping by, or if you're new here, thanks for stopping by anyhow. So if you are new here, it's the same format as my other videos. These are full site visits, so they're normally in two parts, so into the length of the site visits. So this is part one. I'll try to get part two up next week. Or it might be up already, depending on when you're watching this video. Just look out for the card at the end of the video. Quick disclaimer, I had a bit of a camera issue, so didn't manage to get all of the site visit, but got quite a lot of it, so enjoy. And thank you guys for your support as well. I've had a few messages from people. James Greaves, a fellow plumber as well, likes what we're doing and asked for some more videos, along with a couple of others as well. So I'll keep putting them up. I can't do them weekly at the moment. I'll try to get one up each month if I can, or if it's in two parts, which most of them are, it'll be 2 parts in a month. But thanks again guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Hi, right, okay, so we have an old metal tank, or 3 of them in fact, that have been bolted together. Let's see whether it's 1 tank or 3. Okay, now it's 3 separate tanks, and over in that corner is where we've got a leak. But this tank is old. Not sure whether downstairs is still using this. That one definitely not, because it's open at the end, but the tank's still live. Classic. Good job. Right, so that's definitely off, and then you've got 3 more draw-offs that side. One of them is definitely not live, because I can see a stop end over there. Just check that. Okay. Yeah. So over there is a 22mm stop end, and that goes over onto that draw down, and then you've got 1 here and 1 here, and I've already taken the old hemp off to have a look, and they both run downstairs. So the question I have, and these 2 here, 1 here to there, and then the other one underneath
to here. So is this still plumbed in and being used, or for a downstairs, where has it been disconnected, or not disconnected but left live and nobody's using it? The plot thickens. Right, let's get some WD-40 sprayed onto this stopcock. Give that a good old soaking. Right, there's nothing. So okay, so what I'm doing is I'm running the customer's utilities downstairs. So the cold on the bath is running, the cold on the hand basin is running, but the customer's got a combi, so I doubt very much whether they're still connected. We're also flushing the toilet intermittently as well, just to make sure, but sometimes when people do conversions, they don't change all the plumbing out, which they should, but they don't. So the leak is in that corner over there, but the tank is definitely past its sell-by date. Right, just let's take the camera off my head. Let's see whether you guys can see what's leaking. I'll leave that there if I can. Yeah, so there's might have to record this on my iPhone. Let's try that. Okay, so it's right at the back. However, you can see the joist at the end is slightly glistening. That's because it's wet, and that's where it's leaking. And we know we're in the right place because here's the corner of the chimney there, and we can see it downstairs in the hallway. Right. Okay. Back on my head, and we're still getting. There we go. We're still there. Okay, we might use that one to drain down the tank. Or that one. We've got options anyway for draining down this tank. One of these should still work. We've got 4 chances to Alrighty, that another 5 minutes, and then we'll try and turn that off. Yeah, he looks like he's been pretty much disconnected. That one's still open because you can see it's higher than that one over here that's shut. We know that one's shut because it's been capped off at the end. So if you look at the stem on the stopcock, the distance, and then that one's shut back there as well. So let's have a look at that. Right. Yeah, so that's not. So he's not connected to that. That would have started filling by now. Okay. Yeah. That's not a 5-minute job. Okay.
So,
Yep.
got in touch with downstairs, they're not home yet, but they are not using that tank.
They're definitely not, no?
No, they got it all cut off because it was a health hazard, basically.
Oh, okay. Because it's still live, you see, so...
Is it feeding this?
It's not, no.
So,
No, I mean, it's not, so basically what we're doing is running the tank, or running your water now. If you had any of your plumbing still connected into there, the tank would start to fill.
right.
Because it's been running for about 5-10 minutes now.
Oh yeah, easy.
So it hasn't moved. So I'm satisfied you're not connected.
They said
If they're not connected,
they said drain it. They don't. It's not. They're not connected.
okay.
To it.
Do they know why it wasn't disconnected then? When they disconnected it?
No.
They didn't. No.
Probably just
Laziness.
Just
yeah.
poor workmanship.
Oh,
Turn
no.
these
Yeah.
off?
Yeah. So turn your water feeds off then. I'm going to stop the. I'm going to stop. Okay, it wasn't recording. Hush. Let's give that one a cut next, and we'll see what we can do with that one. Failing that, you've got one here with an end. Just want to try that one first. We could do. I mean, it's open, right? Let's try and connect onto that one because it's already been cut, and then we'll see if we can get this to open up there. But same again, this one has probably been shut for quite a while as well, judging by the age of their boiler. Oh, had something going. There we go. Bingo. Right. Okay. Third time lucky. You alright, guys? Yeah, so I've got one open now, so it's draining as we speak. So
Okay, cool.
we'll just let it drain. I'll start writing up a report.
Cool.
So we're not here any longer than we have to be, yeah?
Perfect. Right.
So yeah, so that's MacGyvered something up for you at least. I tried a couple of them, but the valves, even though the valves were opening, they're probably full of gunk, because if the tank's been sitting there and the water's not moved,
Yeah.
all of the crap in the tank will settle to the bottom and it can block the pipes.
Right.
So,
okay.
but yeah, third time This one's running. We only need one to run, so beggars can't be choosers.
Okay, that doesn't look too disgusting.
It did at first.
Oh, right.
So, but yeah, I mean, I'll call you back when it's near the end. you could be the judge of that one, yeah.
Okay.
So,
do you want me to sort that parking?
yeah, just put another hour on it.
Is it LM
57 FFA? Yeah,
right,
that's
cool.
it, brother.
Is it a Vauxhall?
Yeah, it's a Vauxhall and it's silver.
Silver Vauxhall.
Yeah, Vivaro it is. I don't know whether they need that as well.
They literally need brand and colour.
Brand and colour, yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, there we go. See, that's me. Don't worry. That's the hour. Right. Let's get going. Sorry guys, I'm still trying to get used to this. The height on this camera.
less water coming down the wall.
Yeah, it's a fair size, this tank, because it's got 3 bolted together.
Yeah.
So it's yeah, so you guys, you've still got quite a bit of pipe work up here, so I probably wouldn't leave it to the roofer to cut it out, because there's stuff still servicing your boiler.
Right, okay.
And if he cuts out something and he thinks it's dead and it's not,
We'll have a
yeah,
big waterfall again,
exactly, yeah.
Well,
So
they're coming. I think the scaffolders coming Tuesday, and then they're starting the work on Wednesday.
okie dokie. All right. Well, I mean, I'm local anyway. This is my area.
Cool.
So
Have you got a card or
yeah,
something?
absolutely. I'll leave my number and everything with you guys. So this pipe here, this is the most important one.
Right.
Which I'll take a photo of it because this one's still going to be live. Yeah. So obviously, and anything back past there is likely to be live as well.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it's a hodgepodge of pipes where previous plumbers have just cut the pipes but have just left them there. You know.
Yeah, down the other end, there's pipes all over.
I know.
I don't know what they've been doing. It's literally it must have just been a bod's job.
Yeah, well, they just want to in and out as quickly as they can, right? They're doing a system conversion. They don't clean up as they go, which makes it hard work for the rest of us when we come along and we look at stuff.
Yeah.
Try and work out what's live and what's not, you know? Yeah, because I don't like surprises either.
No. The good news is that the water stopped running down the wall.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah, I mean, it's still wet back there, but I can't see any drips anymore. So I don't know what. We'll see how much this is emptying out. What I might do, if it's like I'm here too long, because I don't want to kill you guys. Yeah, we're reasonable. Yeah, that's why we get really nice reviews, because you know we look after customers. So I might leave my hose here overnight, and if that's all right with you guys, and just leave it draining.
Yeah. No, I'd rather. I mean, having you on the front of pound half an hour.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, no.
Water come out of hose.
Exactly, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, we don't work like that, you know, where we can. But if that's all right with you guys, if you're happy for me to do that,
yeah, we'll just leave that as it is.
And then I'll come along tomorrow, and just pick my hose up.
Perfect.
Is that all right? Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah, because I don't want to kill you guys, because no one wins. Right, let me get that nipped up, and then that one's still live. I'll take a photo of it. I'm going to put some blue tape on it as well. Okay. But I will take a photo of it, but just to let him know, or her know, that the pipe that's got the blue tape on it is still live.
Okay.
Yeah, but if they're unsure, just call us back out. Well,
like I say, what I'll do is I'll probably just call and hook you in. I'll find out from him like what time makes sense, because they'll obviously, like the first half of the day, they'll be ripping stuff off.
Stuff off the roof, yeah.
So,
so they won't want us inside the roof void if they're ripping off from the outside.
But the plan was to rip it off, and then they're going to get they're just going to get the membrane on, because we thought that was the cause of the problem. So it's like emergency.
Yeah, roofer as well. Yeah,
but the tiles are like a couple of weeks off, so they're going to get it watertight.
Yeah.
And then they'll come back in a couple of weeks to finish the job.
Right, okie dokie. So they'll probably want to get it watertight the same day.
Yeah.
So it probably makes sense if we come along around lunchtime then.
Yeah.
Yeah, but tie up with them before they start, and then...
He's already messaged me back.
Yeah, because there's a lot of pipe work up there, and I'd hate him to have a surprise.
Thanks again, guys, for your time. It's much appreciated for stopping and watching the video. If you check the cards, the second part of this might be up. If not, this is the 4th edition of my video, so there's a couple that you may have not watched already. Just check them out in my library, and see you on the next one. Stay safe, guys.